Did you know that South Africa, often referred to as the Rainbow Nation, is home to some of the world's most breathtaking landscapes and diverse wildlife? Welcome, traveler, to our virtual expedition. Today, we embark on a journey through the top 30 best places to visit in South Africa. Prepare for your senses to be captivated and your wanderlust ignited by the splendor of this awe-inspiring country. The challenge that often arises when planning a trip to South Africa is the overwhelming abundance of captivating destinations. With so many unique experiences to choose from, where does one even begin? This guide will navigate you through this conundrum, showcasing the must-visit places in this diverse nation. Our journey will take us from the iconic Table Mountain, overlooking the beautiful city of Cape Town, to the vibrant and cultural heart of Soweto. We will traverse the lush vineyards of the Cape Winelands, dive into the rich history of Robben Island, and stand in awe of the spectacular Blyde River Canyon. Prepare yourself for the key moment of our journey as we reveal the #1 must-visit place in South Africa. A place so breathtakingly beautiful, it will leave you in a state of awe and wonder, yearning to see it in person. In conclusion, South Africa, with its myriad landscapes, rich cultural tapestry, and unrivaled wildlife, truly offers something for everyone. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie yearning for adventure, a culture enthusiast seeking to immerse yourself in a vibrant heritage, or a nature lover longing for awe-inspiring vistas, South Africa beckons you. If this journey stirred your wanderlust, we encourage you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. And do share in the comments which South African destination has captivated your heart and where you are yearning to set foot first. Safe travels, and until next time, keep exploring.